Hey guys, I need a video to go viral. So how about a coconut cream pie? Please share this with all your friends, your family, your coworkers, your Lyft and Uber drivers, your Pilates instructor, your Peloton instructor, anybody and everybody. I'd really appreciate it. So with this pie, I'm going to start out with a full can, which is 15 ounces of cream of coconut. I'm using Coco Lopez. So I've given it a good shake and I'm going to put it in my pan. Now I'm going to turn my heat on to medium low right now. To my 15 ounce of cream of coconut, I'm going to add 1 can of evaporated milk. I've got 4 tablespoons of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of flour that I'm going to add to my mixture here. That, of course, is the thickener. Whisk this until it starts to thicken. At this point, I'm going to move up to medium. You can also do this in a double boiler if you're more comfortable with that. A lot of your coconut cream pies, the only coconut flavor you're getting is from the coconut. With this particular pie, you're getting a lot of coconut flavor with your cream of coconut. So no sugar added to this. The only sweetener is what's already in the cream of coconut and, of course, what's in the coconut itself. Okay, now that things are starting to thicken a little bit, I'm going to add my egg yolks. That's 3 egg yolks. I'm going to do this one at a time, mixing vigorously. 3 tablespoons of butter, and 1 cup of flaked coconut, and about a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So how thick that is? It'll continue to thicken as it cools. So I'm going to turn off my heat. Okay, I'm going to grab my prepared pie shell. I blind bake a pie shell. I'm going to add my coconut cream to the pie shell. I'm going to let it come to room temperature, and I'm going to top it with whipped cream and toasted coconut. So my pie has been in the fridge for a few hours, so it's nice and cold. Time to make some whipped cream topping. So 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. I'm going to use my whisk attachment here. If you've got the big muscles, you can do this by hand. So I'll use the machine. 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoonish of vanilla extract. I'm going to set this on high and let it blend. Last but certainly not least, some of the coconut I had earlier, I put in the oven at 350 for about 7 minutes and made it nice and toasty. That's going to be my topping. Coconut flavor is insane. Feels so good. Saltiness in the pie crust, the creaminess of the custard. Good stuff.